We're still in Demo 13 project. I'm just going to slide up here on the project manager. So there's Demo 13 project there. We're still in the drawing demo02.dwg there as well. There will be times when you need to audit your AutoCAD electrical drawings. Now, I don't mean a regular AutoCAD audit command either. You need to do what is called a DWG audit, which is specific to AutoCAD electrical. Now, the reason you do these audits is to check for orphaned entries in the database, to make sure that your components and your wires are all numbered and tagged properly, and so on and so forth. I've also got drawing Demo 08 open as well. I'm going to close that one because I only want to audit the one drawing. I don't want it to go and do other drawings. So let's close down drawing Demo 08. We don't need that one. It's prompting me to save the changes. I'll just say yes to that. That's fine. We've got drawing Demo 02 for this particular exercise, and that's the only drawing we're going to use because we're going to perform a DWG audit on this individual drawing. Where do you find the DWG audit command? It's actually on your Reports tab here on the ribbon, and it's this command here, DWG audit. Now what it does, as it says there, is it detects problems related to wire numbers, wire connections, and displays a report of them and any repairs it might make. Drawing audit identifies and cleans up some of the problems that can affect an AutoCAD electrical drawing. You can also save the error report for reference or surf the file to view and correct the errors. So let's have a look at that. Let's click on DWG audit. I want to audit the active drawing. So I click on OK. It's going to find me wire gap pointers that might need fixing, bogus wire numbers, zero length wires. That can happen sometimes. You get a wire that is a zero length. You've gone to draw a wire, maybe just done a tiny little short piece of wire and cancelled the command. Wire number floaters. There's nothing worse in an AutoCAD electrical drawing where you've got a wire number but it's got no wire. And also show the wires as well. We want to mark them in red, the ones that need checking, auditing or fixing. So when I click on OK, it goes off into the drawing now, and it's found 173 line entities, 173 that are wires, and there's 0 wires on the no wire numbering wire layers shown in magenta. So if I just move this down here for the moment, it's gone through and it's audited all of the wires. They're all marked in red, and all of these lines going out are AutoCAD electrical checking all of those links between the wires themselves. So that's great, we're done. We have no errors, so I can OK that now. And there's the audit report. Now I can do a save as, and save that out as a file of any particular type. Normally a TXT file will work, so I'll cancel that. I can also print it if I want to. In this case, I'm just going to close it. Notice the surf button is greyed out because there's no errors in the drawing. Now the good thing about that is that I don't have to surf to find the errors. It's fixed them all for me. So you'll notice there were some wire number floaters there and it's removed them. So that's great. I don't have to surf those and find those. So I can now close. And when I zoom out, you'll see that all that highlighting disappears. So you can see there that that DWG audit is very, very useful. It tidies up your drawings. Now the good thing is you can do it for an active drawing, but you can also do it for the whole project if you want to. Now I'm not going to bore you by letting you watch an audit for a whole project of X number of drawings. You can see how it works on that one drawing. It does that for every drawing if you set the settings to project.